Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher, how to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is what are most people afraid of? And this lesson will focus on having the student think about and then learn to express an opinion on the prompt, what are most people afraid of? To do this lesson, you will need some lined paper, some scrap paper, some pens or pencils, and some crayons or markers. First step, assemble the materials and ask the student what is an opinion. Make sure that the student understands an opinion is not like a fact, which can be proven to be true or false. But an opinion is what one person believes about an issue. Now, you will then ask the student to think about things that people are afraid of and write them down on the scrap paper. Then ask the student to focus in, what are you most afraid of? Zero in on that concept and write down ideas on the scrap paper. Next step is to have the student organize. So ask the student to tell you what is a paragraph or a short essay about. When we organize it, we need to have a good topic sentence. We need to have some details that support our topic sentence. We need a sentence at the end to tie everything together. Once the student has finalized his opinions on what the student is most afraid of, then ask the student to think about how to organize a paragraph and begin writing the essay. Look at it after first draft. Think about, are there any corrections that need to be made, either in the content or in spelling, grammar, or punctuation. Finally, ask the student to write out the paragraph on the good lined paper, and then on the back of the paper, draw images of exactly what that fear looks like to the student. Hope you've had fun with this activity on creative writing, learning about the difference between fact and opinion, and also using creativity to express in artistic terms as well. Please do hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons every Friday in all different subjects, and check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com for other educational products to inspire, entertain, and educate you and your family. Until next time, bye.